Hello everyone, I am Devaranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about MSI X570 Tomahawk Motherboard. Today we take a peek at the latest X570 Tomahawk Motherboard from MSI. For months now, we have been eager to try this stuff out because this is a really critical device since MSI X570 Tomahawk Motherboard. The system has failed the stress test, which has been the gaming edge Wi-Fi. To make it worse, no other company struggled at every price joint in that study. Those of you who have followed our thermal X570 VRM check should know what we think about MSIs. They are all pretty mediocre in terms of the VRM results. MSI Motherboard has been focusing on rehabilitating their roster, realizing they wanted to perform more. Ace Gaming was swapped with Unify, which resulted in the removal of RGB display. The X570 Unify is an excellent performing device, but for many it's out of control at $300. Configuration. Tomahawk uses a controller that takes 6 signals and doubles them using phase duplicators. They are bind by the 12 phases which use VRM signals, and each of them is amplified by using a phase doubler. Meanwhile, Buildzoid also estimates that under precisely the same circumstances, the current Tomahawk board can produce only 17 watts of power. This is a drop in the thermal efficiency of over 60%. If we take a look at the rival boards, they use too many power stages with no current or temperature regulation. Measuring current and monitoring it are some of the features that included in it. Then they are rated 60 amperes so that higher currents are supported. The Tomahawk is somewhat similar to the gaming edge, but up to an extent. According to us, the Tomahawk is the best motherboard till date, and it looks strong too. Comparison. More than 20 motherboards were tested under immense conditions such as open air, no external airflow, etc., which led to an evaluation of many of these kinds. The prior had a better strength, so a retest wasn't conducted. A wireless thermometer with K-type thermocouples is used to measure the temperatures, and we monitor peak MOS FET surface and rear PCB temperature. This brings us to the conclusion that temperature is measured only between the thermal layer and the external temperature is not measured. And for both boards checked in precisely the same conditions that give us a good view of how the temperature of the VRM are comparable. Last but not least, we do not discuss delta T over ambient, but instead we maintain 21 degrees room temperature. We have a thermocouple seated next to the space temperature tracking test panel. If you want to know more details about MSI X570 Tomahawk Motherboard, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.